Half a century ago, humanity was awed by our capability to go beyond our limits. In 1969, the whole world witnessed a milestone in our history. The culmination of a collaborative effort.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Driven by that same spirit, we have created the definitive precision tool, the Magnet Driver Space Rocket. Restore, adjust, play, repair. Celebrating the 50th anniversary of one of our greater conquests, we want you to go a step further and be inspired by the human spirit. Magnet Driver Space Rocket, the most precise screwdriver kit.